Hi everyone, it's Michael from Tropicfeel, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at our packing cubes that work with your Tropicfeel backpacks and luggage. All of our packing cubes are available in colorways that correspond to our currently available products, so you can seamlessly integrate them into our current and future collections. Alright, so let's take a closer look at our 5-litre packing cube. Now this packing cube starts at 5 litres, but can be compressed down into 1.8 litres, and I'm going to show you how. So I've got some items here that I typically have for a weekend away trip, and I'm just going to pack them up, starting by using the dual compression zips to expand the bag, like so, and then I'm going to unzip it and start packing in the items. So I've got some t-shirts here to start with. I'm just going to fit them in. And then my towel. Finally, some underwear and socks. And then we'll zip it up, like so. And then thanks to the dual compression zips, we can then compress it down, like this, saving you even more space when you're going away. This packing cube fits in the front of your backpack, so I'm just going to show you how that's done. I'll bring this one over, and you just nice and easily slot it into the front, like so. Alright, now moving on to the 10-litre Smart Packing Cube. This packing cube compresses from 10 to 5.1 litres, and the main difference that makes it smart is that it's got an interior organisation, which I'll show you now. And there we go. So this one is great for longer getaways, and I'll just pack some items in to show you. So here, as you can see, you've got some loops, which I'm going to put some rolled up t-shirts into first, like so. Next one. Attractive and neat. And then I'll just zip this all up now, once it's packed. And then using these compression zips, I can then compress it all down. And I've just saved myself a whole lot of space. Now that I've got everything packed up, I'm just going to press it all down a bit. And I'll show you how to fit it into the front of the backpack. So we'll start by opening out the spider net, putting it like this. We can slot the bag in, and then we bring this net over, and using these hooks, we're going to feed it through and into the front of the backpack. So everything's nice and secure, and you won't be losing anything. So there we go. There. Just like so. Here we've got the 12-litre Smart Packing Cube, which integrates with Hive and also has the smart interior organisation. And this can compress from 12 litres by up to 50%. So I've got some items here, and I'm just going to give you guys a demonstration of how to pack them all in. So I'm going to start by opening up the expansion area using the double compression zips, like so, and then we'll open up the main body of the bag. And I'll start here with the smart interior. And I'm just going to start by packing some t-shirts in, like so. So, and then I'll just fit it in like the others. Okay, now I've got some shorts, so I'm just going to put these over here on the very top, along with the towel. I can zip this whole thing up now. And finally, using these two main compartments here, I'm going to start putting in some socks first to both sides. Just like this. Finally, some underwear onto the bottom area. We'll zip all of this up. Like so. And then once we've done that, we can take the dual compression zips, Alright, now once we've got everything nicely compressed down, I'll show you how to fit it into the front of the backpack using the spider net. So we're going to bring this over here, open up the spider net, just fit the packing cube in the front, and using these loops we can bring it through. Just like so. And all of these packing cubes are fully weatherproof, so you don't have to worry about getting caught out in the rain with them, as you can see. Sustainability is at the heart of everything we design at Tropicfeel, and our packing cubes are no different. The main body is made with 100% recycled material. We have full traceability, and of course we carbon offset. If you'd like to find out more, just have a look at the link in our description below.